Hey, this time of year can be full of joy,
but also can be super stressful.
So we're gonna show you how to use essential oils to make a gift to give to yourself or a friend to help them relax during this season.
You are going to love these winter joy bath salts.
Let's show them how to make it. For this recipe, you'll wanna grab your recipe box. You'll wanna grab your labels and recipe card.
And you're gonna wanna grab your dried lavender buds out of your box.
And for our oils, we are going to use 6 drops of winter spice and 1 drop of lime essential oil.
And you're gonna wanna grab these really awesome test tubes.
That's what we're gonna put our recipe in, so it's gonna be such a cute gift.
And your gift tags, don't forget the gift tags. And from your bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your almond oil. And from your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt and some Himalayan salt if you have it.
If you don't have Himalayan salt, that's okay. You can easily replace it with more Epsom salt. It just adds a pretty pink shade to your bath salts and it has some really great benefits. So let's make it.
All right, to start making this recipe, we're gonna wanna add all of our salts together, along with 1/2 tablespoon of our dried lavender buds.
And we're going to go ahead and mix these together. For now, we'll set these aside and we'll dilute our essential oils with almond oil to make them safe to go in your bath.
All right, so we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of almond oil to our dish.
That's gonna make sure our essential oils are well diluted and will not be irritating in a bath. And then we'll add 6 drops of winter spice essential oil blend.
And 1 drop of lime.
Now we'll stir that so that the essential oils get diluted in that carrier oil. We don't want them just sitting on top. We want them mixed in with our carrier oil. And now we add our essential oils to our salts. And stir it up until it looks evenly incorporated. Now we're gonna fill up our test tubes and it's gonna look so pretty and festive. And this can be a little bit of a challenge. It helps if you have a friend to help hold it while you fill it.
Or a funnel.
All right, you can put the cap on and we have a little bit extra that we can save and use in a bath. And these are ready to gift.
In your box, you have little gift tags that you can add on to here. So you can decorate your little gift tag and then slide it on. Ta-da! Look how cute that is.
And we could even add our label to the gift tag. And there you have it, a beautiful gift, great stocking stuffer to add to a gift basket, give to a teacher. Who else?
Or yourself.
Yeah. So if you want more great gift ideas to use essential oils with, check out our November recipe box.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe now button.
You'll be using essential oils with confidence and clarity in no time.
Thanks for watching.